Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Red Dead Redemption 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the control settings within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up this game on your device. And once you open it up, in order to change any of your control settings, you will need to go to the settings menu. You can do this directly from the main menu, or if you are within your game, just tap on the escape button and then click on options. On the options page, just click on gamepad. And from here, click on controls to go into your control configuration. From here, you can view the controls and also make various changes if you wish for your gamepad. If you're playing with the mouse and keyboard, click on the keyboard option just underneath gamepad and then click on key mappings. From the key mappings section, you will find all of the buttons that are assigned to various different in-game controls. If you wish to change the control for any parameter, go ahead and click on the blank space and then tap on the key that you wish to assign. You can do this for any key that you wish. And once you are done with editing all of your controls, you can simply go back using the escape button and all of your settings will be saved right away. And now you will be able to play your game with your control settings that you have just chosen. And if you wish to change it once again in the future, you can follow the same steps to go into your control menu and have it changed right away. There you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Red Dead Redemption 1 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.